perhaps it is as a result of cultural issues that these matters don't come out. But we need to live beyond culture and be adaptive, be inclusive. The testimonies that were given, they were heartbreaking. Really, if you imagine they go to an airport, they are told, no, it's not you. You are a girl, but now what has been presented before us is a boy. You see, and having to keep on explaining yourself everywhere you get is disheartening. So the way forward now, I think, is legislation to address this gap, and also awareness campaigns all over, so that as we live, even in families, I'm sure that there are people in families who are affected by that, and the parents might not even know, because some of these things develop later in life. So for us as the Ministry of Public Service, Labour and Social Welfare, our major concern is one of the mandates is child protection. And therefore, from this meeting, we are going to address our constituency in terms of what services to provide, what recognition to provide, and the sensitivities around it. So legislation, and then we work on our policies as government and as private sector, so that we are all inclusive.
Thank you so much.